Originally I'm Indian, I'm from Indian origin. I was born in East Africa. And we came over here at 16 years old. So I used to go to parties and I was very English, you see. There's nothing wrong, this is the culture, you see. But inside I never felt happy doing all these things. I was an accountant for 15 years, but because I was a bad accountant, I didn't like it. I'm not a very money-minded person. No, I was buying a post office after I gave up my accountancy, and it was not meant for me, and I was getting nightmares. And what happened was then after I lost about 3,000, 4,000 pounds, and I decided I didn't want to go ahead with it, and my whole family was very upset with me that why don't I want to do it, but I thought that was not meant for me. Yeah, we went to temple, and one of my devotee friends, the Hare Krishna person, he said he sees me in a health store, and I didn't have a clue about health store. And next week this shop was on sale. I came in, I felt at home, I felt very good. I checked some of the accounts and I paid the deposit, and I'm here. When I took over, Streatham was down. There are a lot of closed shops, and it was down, but it's now coming up. A lot of newcomers are coming in. Youngsters are here, and getting more and more customers. It's getting better. You don't see any empty shops anywhere now. It is a family business. It's myself, my wife, and my daughter has joined. And I would like my son to join in as well, so see what happens now. My daughter has just joined me. She's a medical herbalist now. She's a professional person. She wanted to become a politician, but then she thought that this is the right career for her because she can look after people, and I think she's chosen the right path. We opened up a clinic, a dispensary for her, and she's getting lots and lots of clients. More and more people are coming here, you see, for advice, consultation and so on. But this sort of business suits me because it's both material and spiritual, looking after people, giving them right advice, and that's a blessing for me. And customers become our friends. It's like a family, so we've got a very big family here, and I feel blessed. And my staff, they are like my family. I always treat them as my family. So we get on well with each other. It's a very strong teamwork together. That's why we have been so successful.